where shoe repair. He's asleep. We work there, sleep there. Fixing, huh?
Yeah, this one they put leather.
Oh, nice.
See?
Yes.
Here leather, here the new one. Here the damage, only glue.
Only glue?
Yeah, inside.
Okay.
Only polish.
Okay.
Thank you.
The shop is closed, right? Can I pay you card?
Yeah.
Wow, this gentleman, wonderful, from Peshawar. But he's been working here for 20 years, huh?
Yeah, 15 years.
15 years here in Al Safat. What's this area?
Satwa.
Satwa. Al Satwa. So there we go, folks. He's done a massive job. Incredible job. Wow. Almost like new, huh?
Yeah.
Like new shoes.
Yeah, new.
Wow. Look at this setup, folks. Handmade shoes, huh? Good job, good job. So everybody from around the world, he's doing a good job. White stitching with the real leather, and then the insole, a new insole for me as well. It's a grand old job. Fabulous, fantastic. Anywhere else it would be a joke. Come off. Look at this machine, and he's doing a magical job. Absolute magic. Magical, folks. Wow. Let's do the final stitch. Promotion for you.
Yeah.
Huh? Wow. Amazing. Look at these scissors. Look at the machine. Got to hold the gear. Incredible, absolutely incredible. This is how you should support the community. Handmade. Almost like brand new now. Finish. Beautiful, beautiful.
Now I know where to get my shoes fixed. It's absolutely fantastic job done by an incredible gentleman. My shoes, brand new. Wow, what a joy, folks. Got my shoes. These shoes have been going around the world pretty much over 190 plus countries it's been traveled to. And it's been with me for 27 years. Handmade in Italy for me. And it's been fixed in Italy, Germany, Japan, Mexico, and now here in United Arab Emirates.
Al Baraka. A lovely man is doing my shoes.